that depression is not a disease? I know, it sounds crazy because we are so used to hearing about it as a serious disease. And while that is important, I am going to share 3 secrets with you today that are going to revolutionize the way you can overcome depression without medicine by yourself. I'm Dr. Falguni Jani, and I'm a counselor and psychotherapist, practicing for the past 25 years and helped thousands of people to come out of depression without medicine. So, what is the biggest hurdle to overcome depression? It's the constant attack of 10,000 negative thoughts. It's this attack which makes you anxious, stressful, and drowns you into overthinking. So I'm going to share 3 secrets with you on how to overcome depression without medicine and how you can do it by yourself without visiting any doctor or hospital. I know you're probably thinking, am I capable of overcoming depression on my own? Is it possible to cure depression without medicine? I'm going to show you a great way through which you can easily overcome depression on your own and get back to fulfilling your desires and dreams. So, the first secret is creating a shield against all negative thoughts. The big idea here is that once you create a shield against all negative thoughts, all your anxiety, stress, and overthinking will be reduced. This is important because anxiety, stress, and overthinking drains your energy. That is why you are unable to get rid of depression because you do not have sufficient energy to fight depression. Hence, every time you try some or the other method, it works temporarily and then you are back to square one. The second secret is cleaning negative thoughts from your mind. The main thing to understand here is that every day negative thoughts come from everywhere. It is just like weeds in the garden. They grow automatically. You have to clean the weeds if you want your seeds to grow. Just like you are cleaning your teeth on a daily basis, you have to clean negative thoughts on daily basis. This means when you clean all negative thoughts, you are creating a space for all the positive thoughts, ideas, inspiration, and motivation, which can help you to succeed in life, no matter what profession you are in. If you have dreams to achieve something in life, then you have to clean your negative thoughts. No one has become successful without cleaning negative thoughts. Observe all the successful people that faced every kind of negative situations, but they cleaned their negative thoughts and moved on. If you hold on to negative thoughts in your mind, you will feel constantly stuck and stagnant in life. Therefore, remember, moving on happens when you clean your negative thoughts. The third secret is deliberate induction of positive thoughts in your mind. The main thing to understand here is that once you clean negative thoughts, your mind is like a fertile soil where you can put all kinds of seeds. Seeds have to be roped in. In the same way, positive thoughts also have to be deliberately induced in the mind on daily basis. This is important because only positive thoughts have the power to kill negative thoughts. Like in Mahabharata, 100 Kauravas, meaning 100 negative thoughts, were killed by only 5 Pandavas, meaning 5 positive thoughts. As mentioned earlier, in depression, there is an attack of 10,000 negative thoughts. But the key is that only 17 positive thoughts has power to stop it. Now I know what you are thinking. Oh, this is too much work. Isn't it better if I eat the pill? But let me warn you that pills can only make you sleep, that too only for a few hours. No pills have the power to kill or stop negative thoughts. Well, The tricky thing is that our mind wants a shortcut for everything, just like cooking Maggi instantly in 2 minutes. But Maggi cannot become an everyday meal. Maggi won't even give the necessary vitamins, proteins, and strength that the body requires. Even when you came to this earth, you also took 9 months staying inside the womb. If you had a premature birth, you know the consequences of it. So, rest your mind right now. You can do this for sure. It is not a lot of work at all. It's even easier than eating pills because this has no side effects. You can take the same amount of time cleaning your mind as well. While eating pills, you will have every kind of side effect. It's the same like cleaning your teeth every day. How much time does it take you to clean your teeth? The same amount of time you can spend in cleaning your mind too. To make your work easy, our team has created a depression self-help digital kit through which you can easily overcome depression without medicine by yourself. The best part is that to use this kit, you do not need any technical knowledge and skills. It is a highly user-friendly kit. What this is going to do is, it will clear all your doubts, queries related to depression, and it will give you the scientific methods and perfect tools to overcome depression without medicine by yourself. This kit will help you to become your own counselor and doctor and heal yourself from depression. And I, as a counselor who has helped thousands of people, have now given you the scientific method and perfect tools to overcome depression without medicine by yourself. So, with my entire team, we have created this depression self-help digital kit which you can easily download on your mobile and use it from your mobile. If you click the link given below, it will take you to our well-being store and your kit is ready there. Once you add the kit to cart and finish purchasing, you will receive an email which will have the link to download the kit. I honestly don't know how much longer we will keep this depression self-help digital kit available, and the prices will probably go up because we cannot keep a 75% discount offer up forever, as to maintaining servers and other payment gateway costs are huge. So, click the link to get it today while it is still available. We are always here to help, and I can't tell you all the amazing results we have gotten for all those who have overcome depression using this kit, just like you who are struggling to get rid of depression. We also are coming up with an insomnia webinar with a self-help digital kit. But today I am talking about depression self-help digital kit, which will be your superpower to fight depression. I can't wait to see your story of overcoming depression on our depression forum. I'm confident that now, with this superpower that I have shared in the form of a self-help kit, you will surely overcome depression by yourself. I pray for you and your family's well-being.